Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can find any contract address on Coinmarketcap. Whether you are looking for a specific token's details or verifying its authenticity, I will got you covered. Watch till the end this video. For that you have to go to CoinMarket app website or application. Use the search bar. You can use the search bar to search, but for example I want contract of Ethereum. I will go there and just here you can see the contract address. Just select the address, copy that address, and you got contracts. For example, I want uh, like Bitcoin contract. Just click on the Bitcoin, and in the left side you will see the contract details. So that was very simple. If this video helps you, then like this video, and thanks for watching.